Hey guys, so today I'm doing another Nerf battle video. So I'm with my friend Preston. It's just a one-on-one. And we are going to be doing kind of Call of Duty style. So we each have 3 lives. And we'll come back to our spawn point. Mine is this tree. His is a giant snow pile at the end of our street. So I'm now using my sling fire. You guys, for the video, are mounted on that using my Nerf iPhone camera mount. And I did a review on that. I'll leave that in the description below. And I also secretly have my hammer shot. Yeah, I love that thing. So I will be starting the video now, and I'm just gonna yell to Preston that we can start. All right, Preston, I'm good. Let's start. Hold on a second. Zipping up my coat because it's cold. Just warning you, this might cut in the middle because, there he is. He can probably see me. Dang it. Jeff, you can totally see me right now. Right here. Captain America shield. Totally using this thing. Captain America. Hold on, you can't see, sir. Captain America. I'll use a shield of protection. Won't really serve that good protection, but whatever. Shoot. Where'd he go? If you see chickens in this video, I'm sorry, those are my chickens. You have chickens. It's crazy, but true. Where are they? Where is he? Come on, Pereston, where'd you go? I was actually really excited that I was able to go outside now, because it's been so snowy. Oh, there he is. It's been so snowy that we haven't been able to get outside yet, which is a good thing. Oh, there he is. I don't know what Preston's using. What the? I'm not going to shoot because I don't have a clear shot. He's behind the stupid thing. Yeah, let's try something. I'm going to try something. Yeah. Hey Preston, how about every time you get killed you pick up your darts?
Yeah.
Like every time one person gets killed. I fired 2. There we go. So I just got hit. So now I'm going to go back to my respawn and count nothing. I'm just going to start over again. Oh shoot. I'm actually going to reload quick. Reloading. Reloading. I'm actually using an 18 dart mag, so I don't need to reload, but I might as well. Preston, are you good? Alright, let's go. I wasn't actually going to respawn. Don't tell him. Pile climb. I don't know. I mean, you can find your darts easier. You can set up more of a barricade. There he is. He just darted behind a car. I'm gonna drop my Captain America shield just cause. There he is. Ah, that was close. I almost hit him there. I know. Hey Preston, what gun are you using? Yeah, I know. What is it? The name should be on it.
It is called the Sharpfire.
Sharpfire. Preston's using the Sharpfire. I don't know where my other bullet went. Oh shoot. Nope, doesn't. Die. Oh. He's pinned down. If you couldn't hear him say that, he's been pinned down. Which I totally agree with. Which is good for me. I'm just gonna slowly advance. Shoot, I'm gonna unzip my jacket quickly. Do ricochets count?
No.
He just made that up right there. Just had another shot. Shoot. Oh! I just tripped. I'm not putting you guys on my hammer shot. That's why the camera's so wiggly. I just wasted all my darts. I'm gonna grab them quick. Now he's running over there. While he's over there, I'm gonna grab my darts. Using a close range pistol for outdoor activities. Well, that's pleasant. I just looked and a bunch of my bullets are right near dog poop. Dog poop with like fish in it, nasty. I'm picking up all my bullets and I'm getting a ton of ammo. Great. Sneaking behind cars. I don't know where he went. There. I was just gonna have a side rail. If this gun had a side rail, I could put a scope on it. And I can go like, turn it like that, then fire with the scope. And so if you guys recording, but I can't. Or maybe the mount, the camera mount thing should have a, what do you call it? Rail. Excuse my language, I'm sorry, I'll blurt that out. Whew, that was close. Hold on. I'm just gonna take you guys off for a second. I'm just gonna hold it so I can actually get some good range. Ooh! That almost hit me in the leg. Now, I'm actually gonna switch hands with the camera because I'm right-handed. I'm holding the camera with my left hand. And I'm shooting with my left. Can't be that. Oh wait, no, it's not Preston's mom. Yeah! Bang! What the heck was that? At this point of the game, my brother Fred had joined us. Shoot, he is using his Mega Big Shock. I have lost 1 life. Oh, I hit Fred. Fred has lost 1 life. No, you did not. That bounced right off of you. Fred, it hit you. No, that doesn't count. Go.
3 lives.
Yes, you get 3 lives, but then when you get tagged, you get to go back to your spawn point, count to 10 seconds. Now, they originally said 5, but I'm just going to say 10. And then whatever. I'm going to really cut this video because it is long. Picking up my bullets while Fred's counting. There we go. I think I have all of them.
9, 10. It's 5:15.
I don't sing awesome. My phone was in my mouth.
I think so. That's what I heard Mama say.
Cool. Oh, shoot. I was going to be mad at me because I teamed up on him. That's why my aim was so off. I was using my left hand. Stupid camera. Yeah, this video is going to be a long one, guys. Sorry about that. But I mean, it's for you. Not for me, it's for you. him in my sight. Oh no, President's a Captain America shield. We're doomed! Come on, hammer shot. Oh, that scared me. I thought there was a car coming. What the heck? It's like that one. For now, yeah.
How about no lines?
No. We're all teaming up against Fred. Ah, that hit him.
No, we got 3 lives.
We need to go back to spawn, remember? Go back to spawn, then I'm gonna pick up my bullets fast. Fast. Whoa, mister, that's a fast counting to 10. No! Shoot! No! My gun is like in my pocket. I had to put it there so I could pick up bullets. Oh. Shut up. Whoa! Preston's going behind him. Oh no, he's not. Never mind. Loading up my bullets. Oh no. There we go. Finally got one in the chamber. I only had 3. And they're on the side that you had to, like, I don't know. What? What the heck? My hammer shot isn't doing good today. I don't know why. I wish I could do mods, but I don't know how.
I know how.
You do?
Take apart the gun and take out the air restrictor.
That's how you do. What? You're going to have to show me how to do that.
Okay. Quentin attempted to do it to a retaliator, and he botched it, and now the retaliator is in pieces.
Oh, so it didn't become successful.
Yeah.
That stinks. Loading up a bullet. I'm going to sing that every single time because I like that. That sounded wrong, but whatever. He's being all cool. He's like, oh yeah, I'm cool. I'm going to go back up quick. Alright guys, I'm going to turn off my video. Sorry, but this is getting like really, really long. So I'm just going to tell you the outcome of the game now. I'm going to tell you the outcome of the game in a voiceover, but thanks for watching. This has been Nerf Guns Gunning. See ya. So what eventually ended up happening was Fred lost. I also lost all my 3 lives. And Preston ending up winning with only 1 life left. Which stunk, because I really wanted to win. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.